If you want to play your favorite mobile games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, or Free Fire on your PC, you're in the right place. As you probably know, Android games can't run directly on Windows. To play them on a computer, you need an emulator. When it comes to Android emulators for gaming, Gameloop is one of the best options available. It's the official emulator developed by Tencent, the company behind several popular mobile games, so it's specifically optimized for smooth gameplay and stability. With Gameloop, you get smoother performance, better graphics, and built-in key mapping that makes playing mobile games on a keyboard and mouse much easier. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Gameloop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now let's start the process. First, open your favorite web browser. In the address bar, type Gameloop and press Enter. From the search results, open the official Gameloop website. Once the website loads, click the download button on top right corner. The Gameloop installer will start downloading to your computer. After the download is finished, open the installer file to run it. The Gameloop setup window will appear on your screen. If you want, you can customize the installation location from here. Otherwise, just click Install to continue. The installation process will start. It may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and your PC's performance. So wait until it finishes. Once it's done, you will see its shortcut on your desktop. Open it from there or click Launch to open Gameloop. The first time you open it, it may take a little longer to load, so just give it a moment. Now you'll see the Gameloop home screen. From here, you can browse popular games or use the search bar at the top to find a specific game. Simply open the game you want. And then install it. All your downloading games will appear here. When any game finishes downloading, you can open it. After opening, if you want to customize key mapping, you can do it easily. Click on the key mapping icon at the top. The key mapping section will appear. Here you can adjust key mapping as you want. You can also configure gamepad if you have. After that, save everything and all settings will be applied. And that's it. You're now ready to install and play your favorite games like on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in next video.